Hey guys, what's going on? This is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships. Today, let's go for a drive in this 2016 Porsche Macan Turbo. This vehicle has a 3.6 liter twin turbocharged 6-cylinder engine with 400 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque with a 7-speed PDK. Pretty strong numbers, especially for a small SUV like this. Seats feel really comfortable, really good lateral support. I can already tell that right now. You have little assist turbo in the center gauge, which is cool, and then typical Porsche interior in here. The Macan pretty much looked the same for a very long time. Like even like the facelifted Macan, which you see now, pretty much has the same interior with a bigger screen. Very nice steering wheel. I love these metal shift paddles. Porsche shift paddles are great. Reverse camera. This is a really nice white interior. I like it a lot. You also have a Bose sound system. Beautiful clock up there. The clocks in Porsches are so nice. I love it. The dash clock, it looks amazing. I absolutely love it. And you have an Alcantara headliner with a panoramic sunroof. And yeah, as I said, seats look really good. Ventilated seats, heated seats, sport mode, sporty suspension, off-road mode. You can also turn off your idle start stop right there. Here's your little center console storage. And then here's the typical Porsche key over there. So let's walk around this car, see what it looks like. Looks pretty cool. It's finished in like this nice gray color. Black wheels with red Porsche performance brakes. This is a good color combo for sure. I like it. Here's the rear seats. Definitely a little bit cramped back there because it's a Macan. You can't really expect to have a ton of rear legroom in a small SUV like this. It's truly a compact SUV. Macan Turbo badge on the back. You also have quad outlet exhaust. The Turbo models have the square exhausts. Let's see if I can open the trunk over here. There we go. And here's the trunk. Definitely what you can expect from a compact SUV. But overall, it's a nice looking car. I prefer the front of this vehicle over the rear end, personally. But I think the facelifted Macan rear end looks better to me. I like all these adjustments on the seats. You have a lot of adjustments on this Macan Turbo. Like you can see the thigh extension a little bit. But let's get it out on the road, see how it drives. Let's also open the sunshade. Today I got it's my daily wear watch, Tag Heuer Formula 1. I love wearing my Tag Heuer, driving Porsches. I've also got a Tag Heuer Carrera, which I need to wear in some of my videos with Porsches. That would be cool. This thing's pretty quick. I'm just gonna put the suspension in the very sporty setting, Sport Plus chassis mode. Yeah, that's great. Very nice. See, the Macans, like PDK is literally the best automatic transmission. It's awesome. Look how lightning quick those gear shifts are. And Macans are, even like a base model Macan's it's fun to drive because it's super small. All Macans handle great, but like this Macan Turbo has like really good power, and plus like the exhaust like pops and crackles. Yeah, it's fun, really fun. Ride is really smooth too, even with the sport suspension, it feels smooth. I like it. I like it a lot. Yeah, it feels good. This is a great driving car. I'm just gonna put it in the soft suspension now. See how different that feels. And PDK is just so fun. I love it. But yeah, whenever you put the suspension back in the normal mode, it's definitely noticeable. The ride's softer, which obviously makes sense. Okay, this is what you would typically want to drive in normal conditions. You don't want to always drive in the sport suspension because it's going to feel really rough in like traffic and stuff and over like bumpy roads. But if you're like, you know, on the highway or want to have some fun while driving, you can put it in the sport settings. But anyways, that concludes today's drive. Very fun 2016 Porsche Macan Turbo. Thanks for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for very cool pre-owned vehicles like this Porsche Macan Turbo.